Hello everyone, today we will tell you how to replace oil cooler gasket and filter body gasket on BMW 4-cylinder turbo. So the main thing is you have to remove these three bolts. These are Torx bolt. I will show you 1 minute. This is the bolt Torx head, but you can use a normal socket. It fits well. Okay, remove these three bolts and the cooler will come out. You no need to have to remove this pipe. Remove the old gasket. Okay, yeah. And then the main thing is here. There are three bolts. One is over here, one is here, the long one goes here, and the small one is from underneath like this. You can use 8.
What's the catch? What's special?
You can use 8 mm normal spanner.
Okay.
Okay, because the socket will not go inside. Okay, and after that, the main issue here is one of the bolts is under the intake. To remove this, you have to remove the whole intake, throttle body, everything. But the catch here is you can use a T just like this, 8 mm simple head. Put your T inside this, and with a little bit force, make it straight and turn.
Okay, you need to give force
To the intake.
Okay, to the intake.
Okay, then loosen the bolt by hands, little by little.
Otherwise, the socket will not be fit on
Yes, you have to.
So this is the catch in
Yes, you have to give a little bit force. Then the filter body will come out about half an inch.
Okay.
And after that, you can use a pick tool to remove the old gasket from inside. I am using a small head screwdriver.
You can use that. Just like this. Okay, and little by little you can do this.
So here we are with the old gasket, and now we clean the inside with an emery paper. I will show you how to clean it, and we show how to install a new one. So now the next procedure is to clean the inside where the old gasket was. So in that case, there is no space, you can not put your hand inside. So I have an emery paper P1500 and a piece of glass. So you can do like like this. Okay, make it like this because the glass is a little bit hard and thin. So pull it back, put your emery paper inside. Okay, and all you have to do is, with the force of filter body a little bit, you can clean the inside.
So after that, you install new gasket and put everything back. And for the bolt behind, do the same thing. Yes.
So I will show you how to put the new gasket, and you can see inside it's clean. So that's the trick. And I have a spray gun with gasoline. I spray a little bit. And don't forget to put clothes on the alternator, so you cannot drop anything inside, like oil, petrol, anything like that. Okay, now the new gasket. This is the part number. So that very English. So the trick to put a new gasket inside, it's very easy, not as hard because of the old gasket was little bit dry. So let me give a quick wipe for any debris or any loose material inside. Okay, all you have to do is slide new gasket in. Try to put in one end and then another end, and little bit of force, and press it again and again, and you can see the gasket is seated well inside, and now it's ready to install.
Please do subscribe to my channel.